Hey everyone, and welcome to this video series where I'm going to show you step by step how to build your WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is go to Namecheap.com to actually purchase your domain name. So you go to Namecheap.com, you're here, and you type in the domain name that you want to purchase for your desired website or blog. I'm going to start with PrestonDomination.com, and this is actually taken because I just purchased it. So what you're going to want to do is start looking through domain names, find one that you really like, and then once you find it and it's available, and when you see one that's available, it'll show buy it now here or add to cart, and then you add that to cart and you hit view item and you just check out. And it's really cheap. For the .NET version, it's about $12 a year. For .coms, usually it's about $9. So really economical, and Namecheap is the perfect place to buy your domains because you don't want to host your domain name at the same place that you have your web hosting. This is very important because if you later want to transfer hosts, it's very easy to do that if you have your domains in a separate place than your web hosting. So that's step one. Go to Namecheap.com and purchase your desired domain name. Hey everybody, it's Preston here, and if you're confused about starting your own website, don't worry, because I've created a free course to show you step by step how to build your own WordPress website. I've been doing websites for the last 10 years, and I recorded a series of videos showing you step by step, as if you're over my shoulder here at the computer, how to do everything one after the other after the other. It's all organized in the free course. Check it out right now. It's at training.prestonscorner.com. That's training.prestonscorner.com. It's 100% free. Go ahead and check it out today.